Hi love, so for today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So this is our little parcel that I'm going to unbox. So guys, what it is, so I ordered it from Shopee. So it takes a long time for me to receive it as well. Yeah, so let's open it now. It has a bubble wrap inside. Yeah, look at that. The bubble wrap is X. It has a X logo in the bubble wrap. So here it is, loves. Shooty. Here it is. It's so small. So I ordered it, loves, this memory card. SanDisk Extreme memory card, loves. And it's 256. I ordered this for my DJI Osmo 360. Yeah, here it is. So I'm just going to insert it here inside my DJI Osmo. Here it is. This is how I open it. So I'm going to put the SD card here. Yes, loves. So I asked ChatGPT, yeah, what is the memory cards that will going to suit to my Osmo 360. So I asked also ChatGPT if it's really compatible for this camera. So ChatGPT approved it. That's why I ordered it. Yeah, so it's very convenient right now because if you have some questions, you can just easily ask ChatGPT. So in order to be sure, like that. Yeah, because I don't have knowledge. I don't have much knowledge, and ChatGPT has much knowledge about it. So here it is, loves. So the Osmo 360 has internal storage, but not and it expandable. Yeah, expandable rather. I showed you how to open this one. Yeah, open like this. I don't have a Zizor. It's using my hand. Maybe I can use my feet. It's quite shooty. I like this. So here it is now, love. So I managed to get a scissor. So I'm going to put it inside this one. 256 gig. Yeah, like that. I shooty. What happened to this one? That. Yeah. So you can feel lots of videos now. Yeah. And 8 key. Shooty. Gosh. Why is it so hard to put inside? Happened to this? I need to remove the battery first. Here it is also. Yeah, we are successful inserting. I removed the battery first. Yeah, I'm going to open it now. Asma. Switch storage to SD card. Yeah, confirm. Yeah, it's so nice now, loves. And that's a password. It's so nice because you can put a password in this DJI Osmo 360. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. So that's all for today's video, loves. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, loves.